Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Intelligent Interface Based Voice Activity Detector. So automatic speech recognition based home automation. So here we are using 5 volts power supply. So here we are taking 9 volts adapter into 5 volts pure DC output. So HC05 Bluetooth module, and we are using the app name is AMR underscore voice, which is from the Google Play Store. So 8089S52 microcontroller and 8-bit microcontroller 40-pin IC. So there are 4 ports. Port 0, it is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display. So P1 cap 0 relay 1 bulb 1, P1.1 relay 2 bulb 2. So P1.2 relay 3 1 fan, P1.3 it is connected to the relay 4 1 small LED. So there are connecting bulb on, bulb off, light on, light off, on, fan off, LED on, LED off. So let us going for the hardware part. So here we are using 9 volts into 1 amp adapter power source. We are using bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, and 8089S52 microcontroller. Total 40 pin IC. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 0, it is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. P 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Those are connected with relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4. Relay 1, bulb 1, relay 2, bulb 2, relay 3, fan, relay 4, and 1 LED. So P1 dot P port 3.0, it is connected to the receiver, and HC05 Bluetooth module we are using. And whenever we are giving the voice command, that voice command should be sent to the 8089S52 microcontroller, and it will check the command according to the relay should be switch on and switch off. Okay, so here we are using the app from the Google Play Store. Okay, go to the app. Okay, so you can type AMR voice, control from the Arduino. So okay, so AMR voice underscore BT voice control for Arduino. Okay, so this is BT voice control Arduino open. Okay, so first you need to pair the Bluetooth module. Then first of all you need to go for the Bluetooth open. So here is the HC05 is connected. So we are unpairing first. Okay, so now I'm going to switch on the power supply. Intelligent interface based, so LED triggering. Okay, so here first I'm pressing the SC05 pairing. Password is 1234. Here it is already there, 1234. Okay, once it is connected, it will go top. Okay, connected. Then clear the screen. Okay, BT voice control Arduino. Okay, here the app is there. Okay, please open the app and give the voice command. Okay, then go to the three buttons connected to robot. Okay, connected, and press SC05, and this LED should be off. Okay, now bulb on, bulb on, bulb on, bulb off, bulb off, light on, light on, light off, fan on. So it came some separate. DC on, DC off, LED on, LED on, fan on, fan on, DC on, light on, bulb on, all off, all off, all on, all on, all on. Oh, sorry, that time it is not connected. Okay, DC on, only all off is there. Okay, DC off, LED on, LED off. Okay, these are the command: bulb on, bulb off, light on, light off, fan on, fan off, LED on, LED off, all off only is there. Okay, 5 volts power supply module, 88S52, 16 cross 2 LCD display, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, and bulb, light, fan, LED. And this is our block diagram. Thank you. And which is from the Google Play Store. If it is not available, go to Google directly and you can download it also.